Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce video production costs with Vimeo, complete guide step by step clear. To reduce video production costs with Vimeo, start by exploring Vimeo's free plan. This plan allows you to upload videos without any financial commitment. Assess your current video content needs and determine what you can produce using this plan. Next, consider using Vimeo's advanced features, available in their paid plans. These features include customized player options, which can enhance your brand's visibility without additional production costs. Utilize Vimeo's video editing tools to streamline your post-production process. Editing your videos directly on the platform can save time and money associated with external software. Take advantage of Vimeo's high-quality encoding, which ensures your videos look professional without expensive equipment. Leverage Vimeo's collaboration tools to streamline feedback between team members and clients. With these tools, you can minimize the need for costly back-and-forth meetings. Explore the option of using Vimeo stock for affordable, high-quality footage. This resource can help fill gaps in your video production without the expense of hiring a crew. Additionally, consider implementing a subscription to Vimeo's business or premium plans if you frequently create content. These plans offer discounts on features, reducing long-term expenses over time. Understanding viewer engagement can help you refine your content strategy and reduce wasteful spending. Finally, connect with the Vimeo community for advice and tips on cost-effective production practices. Networking with professionals can provide insights that save you time and money in the future. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your video production costs using Vimeo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.